Welcome back, dear viewers. If you've ever wondered, where can I read Turn Off the Lights help documentation? And read more about Turn Off the Lights software? You're in for a treat. Today, we'll dive deep into the world of Turn Off the Lights and show you how this powerful software can enhance your browsing experience. Before we delve into the help documentation, let's quickly introduce you to Turn Off the Lights. It's a fantastic browser extension available for popular browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and more. Turn Off the Lights is designed to improve your video watching experience by fading out the background and focusing on the video content, reducing eye strain and distractions. Now, let's explore the extensive help documentation that Turn Off the Lights provides. To access it, open your browser and visit the official Turn Off the Lights website, turnoffthelights.com/support. On the homepage, you can search for your answer by typing your question in the search box. For example, how to enable night mode. Choose the article that matches your question and click on it. The help documentation covers everything you need to know about Turn Off the Lights. From the basic installation process to advanced customizations, you'll find step-by-step guides and video tutorials. Learn how to adjust the dimness level, change colors, set keyboard shortcuts, and much more. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.